Hi, this is Bob John's Computer Stuff, and if you're looking for an online Toughbook community that gives tips, tricks, and support, hit the subscribe and bell button for all of our upcoming videos. Today, we're replacing the SSD card in your Getac F110 G2 tablet. This one already has them removed. Now there will be a door on the back here. It's held down by 7 screws. You want to make sure just to remove that. And that'll expose a metal plate that has 3 more screws. Remove those as well. And now you should have access to the SSD card. It's just held down by 1 screw. You'll need your flathead to remove these. And now you can replace. So since there's nothing wrong with this one, I'll put that right back. Just want to make sure that it's screwed and secured back down. And you can put back the silver plate along with the door and the 7 screws. And you're all done. Thank you for watching. Any questions or comments you can leave below.